How did my ceiling become so ugly? I mean, I have a heat and smoke detector right on the ceiling, a carbon monoxide and natural gas detector right there, and a motion detector there.
Looks bloody horrendous, isn't it?
I'm fed up with this mess.
Say goodbye to junk and say hi to Homey. Your all-in-one safety detector. It accurately detects smoke, heat, carbon monoxide, natural gas, mold, and motion with our smart algorithm. Of course, it has Wi-Fi, low-energy Bluetooth, and Zigbee for modern IoT connection too. Warning: there might be fire in the kitchen. Homey gives you an early warning with the smart light for any dangers at home and tells you which room it's coming from. Danger: there is fire in the kitchen. Homey's mobile app lets you know what's going on at home, even when you're away. And when you've got everything under control, just say so. Hey Homey, we're okay. All right then. When you pair the switch with Homey, you can control the temperature in your house just like a thermostat. Danger: there is carbon monoxide in the living room. The boiler has been shut off. When there is a carbon monoxide alert, Homey can tell the switch to turn off the boiler to prevent any further hazard. Back our campaign now to welcome Homey to your family. Homey, the new standard for home safety.